Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to remove page from a report here in Google Looker Studio. Let's begin. Removing a page from a Google Looker Studio report is a straightforward process because, for one, if a page contains outdated or obsolete data that is no longer relevant to the current reporting needs, removing these pages helps ensure that the report represents only the most current and accurate information. Now, in my case, I'm going to my Google Looker Studio right now. Now, basically, these are going to be the pages that I'm working with. I am going to delete some of them because I feel like a report with too many pages can become cluttered and difficult to navigate. So I'm going to remove one page so I can simplify the report, making it easier for users to find the information I need quickly and improving the overall experience. Right now, we are on the view option or the view mode. For you to be able to remove pages or page here in Google Looker Studio, click on the edit option. You see, as you can see right here, I'm switching from this to this, and I'm going to click on the manage pages. You see, I have 1 out of 2. Click on the manage pages. Right now, I have 2 of them. And there's going to be a button here for the ellipsis. You can simply hide in view mode if you wanted, so that if a page may contain sensitive information or confidential data that should be no longer be displayed or shared, you can use the hide in view mode. All right. Now, in the other section, if you want to, of course, maintain the data sources, removing unnecessary page can reduce the time and effort to maintain the report, leading to a more efficient reporting processes. In my case, I'm going to delete that. But before you delete any page here in the Looker Studio report, you want to make sure that you have a backup data because this is going to be permanent. All right. Now, if you wanted, you might want to move to top and hide in view mode again. And if you really decided to delete the pages, just click on the delete option right here and wait for it. And again, remember that deleting the data is a permanent action. All right, because reports often include specific pages dedicated to a project or campaign, and once the project is complete, the associated pages can be removed to keep the report relevant and focus on active projects. I find it very handy in overwhelming the report users. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.